back in time to the first Thanksgiving to get turkeys off the menu. I'm the old Norm. I want turkeys
Back on the menu!
Who are you talking to?
This guy right here.
He totally gets it.
I have traveled in a time machine named Steve in order to stop Thanksgiving and get turkeys off the menu.
One eternity later.
The innocent Manders trod and bled and gassed and starved and beaten and murdered and enslaved. This is your coming century. They will eat the Manders. They will make pigs of you all, and they will bury their snouts into your ribs, and they will eat your hearts.
I don't get it.
If we carefully project our impact point, we should be able to see it.
Well, that was a disaster. Let's try again.
It is the interdimensional rift. It is very powerful.
Whoa. Oops! What?
At last! At long last! The gate between worlds has opened! The world is finally mine!